I'm no wiser, you're no water to wash the sinner's hands clean. I'm no further than hours after we first raised our hearts in offer to who has all foreseen. I've got bugs in my brain, sawflies under my skin, and you're still the same old kid that doesn't love me. So what of it? We did everything we could, and now it's gone. And in the night, the breath of God, it whispers softly. You said you have this dream of swimming down deep, and your father is a fisher out at sea in his boat made of flames, in which from home he once sailed, from the bombs and the bullets, the bay and the bees. Good old landlubber, forced into the cold water, sees his face in the waves, and so does rage tumbles, tideswept, and sings, and drags you down with him, and finds your eyes with a mirror he did meet. It wasn't his reflection he had seen, just a face of who he raised by raising and then gnashing teeth. And you wake up soaked in sweat, coated in salt or washing bread, diving from tangled sheets in bed, gasping for air not in your chest. You said the preacher man once frowned that to be baptized or to drown is just a matter of inertia or of will inbound. And you found, and I had a dream of this little baby fussing unquietly as it's looking up at me, and then the crying ceases, and the ceasing cries, and something dies on my inside, can be consoled, coldly conceived. And I woke up with arms empty, howling like no one's ever held me. And how am I then still meant to be? How are we then still asked to believe? I've got bugs in my brain, stingers starting on my skin, and you're still the same old kid that cannot love me. But what of it? We've done everything we can, and I don't care if it matters much or if it means nothing. If it matters, then it don't matter enough. And if it doesn't, then what's lost is lost. Plenty of fish in the sea.